Okay.
One second, one second.
So आप आइए वापस.
I got you.
मैम यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए.
Roll.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Shweta Malik and I'm a partner at H&H Salad Bar and Cafe. एक सेकंड में स्टॉप करूँ.
Okay, ले लो. Okay. चलो.
Okay, roll.
पापा टाइम
अरे माहौल म्यूजिक लगाओ.
Thank you.
Yes, so the bow is there, the V-neck is there. You can wear this. You can also wear it this side there. So that then the V-neck becomes like a crazy, and then you can throw it a jacket, or you could have your simple minimalist pearls. So you maybe wear the round neck in office, and then on Friday night just turn it over and go out to a party. So that is what we are. So family, everything is fine. So till then I'm like.
Actually, she is coming up with resort also in Mahabaleshwar very soon. Oh, March! We all will go in December. Yeah. Plan.
January से.
December में इनका launch है. January में. So let's go all together ना January.
Let's do in January.
Jan is good. Post taking pictures that is done. Yeah. Coming.
मैम यहाँ पे.
I'm not sure. Ekta, she is trying out band bikinis and the bracelet which is going into lashes. She's trying to use that. She's with the just come
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
एक सेकंड. एक सेकंड.
Okay, thank you.
आसो ना तुम लोग. चैताली आओ.
Today, so kindly a few lines about yourself. Well, I'm Nandita Puri. I'm a writer, journalist, and I run the Om Puri Foundation. And tell me about today's networking event. How is it different from the other events? So I have known Chaitali before she started me, and I've been part of it, and she comes up with wonderful events. Over lunch, over bazaars, all kinds of shows, stand-up comedy, this, that, and everything. Today it's fabulous because this area in 7 bungalows with the H&H Salad Bar. Now I stay across the road, and I've been going to Starbucks and other places. My salon is next door, and I've been looking at this very interesting salad bar. And now today, after this wonderful evening, I am a regular. Next thing, I'm bringing my son, and we're going to be regular. And every dish in this place is awesome, from the salads to the pizzas. Everything is, and it's really lovely. And winters are a great month. We're going to sit and have the soups and salads, and very healthy, very nice. And God bless this place. I'm a fan, and I'm going to be regular here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Few lines regarding Chaitali ji's association with you and me. So, as I said, I happened to meet Chaitali before she started V, and I said, please go ahead, it's a fabulous idea, and the Om Puri Foundation will always associate with you. It will always associate with you. But today I am so proud of her because she's got over 9,000 members in V. It's a huge networking. Today I've introduced two of my friends, one into jewelry design, one into food, and lots of people I've seen, all various women, independent women, women who are entrepreneurs, and I'm so proud, so happy, and I'm so Om Puri Foundation will always be there with me.
Thank you.
And I'm proud. Thank you so much.
And I was an ex-journalist and now I'm an award-winning blogger. I know Chaitali since years now and it's been a lovely association with her, and it's I must say this salad bar today that we are visiting, amazing products and all healthy and consciously made stuff, and I love it, and I think I will come back again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Just a few lines about you, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Purnima Datta Choprani. I'm a stand-up comic. I'm actually a media professional. I have my own production company, but I do stand-up comedy as a passion.
About today's networking meet, how it is different from the other events.
Yeah, this is a fabulous gathering of really happening entrepreneurs, and I see a wide variety of women who have a lot of variety of services and products to offer. So I guess it's going to be very interesting mingling with them.
Thank you, ma'am. And your association with me and Chaitali ji.
Oh yeah, my association with Chaitali goes back to 2019, and I had done a show for V when they had an event in Andheri East, and I was part of an event, and since 2019 I've known Chaitali, and unfortunately lockdown happened and we've lost, we haven't been able to do events together, but looking forward to more events from V and working with Chaitali.
Lovely, ma'am. And how will you support this lovely bar?
Yeah, so this is really lovely place, Internet Cafe, and I'm definitely going to come back here with friends and family, and I love the spread that they have, and we've tasted some awesome stuff, right from pizza to dessert to soups and the whole rigmarole. So
Thank you so
lovely
much.
fair.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, a few lines about yourself.
आई एम सुचेता भट्टाचार्य और मैं इंडियन क्लासिकल फ्यूजन म्यूज़िक में हूँ, और बस मेरा मोटिव यही है कि इंडिया में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग सीखें इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक, एंड आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव मोर देन 10,000 स्टूडेंट्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच.
Ma'am,
Your association with V and Chaitali ji, some experience?
जी चैताली जी से तो बहुत सालों से मैं, शी इज़ लाइक ए यंगर सिस्टर टू मी, एंड yes, she helps me in all my musical activities, and whatever she is doing is fabulous work she is doing.
Your experience about this lovely salad bar and how we will support this bar?
ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. मैं इनफैक्ट श्योरली आई डिडंट नो अबाउट दिस प्लेस, और मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ, एवरीबडी ऑल ऑफ अस वी आर नाउ कॉन्शियस अबाउट फूड, एंड आई हैव लव्ड द प्लेस. I'd surely visit, and I'll recommend this place to my friends.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For the healthy salads and the soups. So, and I'll tell my friends as well, and all my I promote poetry all over the world and all over Mumbai also. So I'll tell all the poets all over Mumbai to come here. And in fact, I was telling Sweta that we have a poetry event here as well. So thank you
So much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
roll.
A very good evening, ma'am.
ma'am. Few lines about yourself.
Myself, Ekta, I am the publisher of Better Kitchen magazine, which is a leading magazine, and it's a global magazine which covers all the aspects of kitchen. It's a 360-degree solution for the hospitality industry, and we are the #1 in industry.
Few lines about we and Chaitali ji, the association with you.
I am associated with V more than 6-7 years, and you can say that Chaitali is a very good friend of mine, and we are the opening group member, one of the opening group member, and Chaitali is doing very well for the group and for all the ladies, and he is empowering women, which is a very good initiative, and she is working for the urban areas also and uplifting the girl child also. So she is too good, and more power to me.
Your experience with this H&H and how we will support this salad bar.
H&H is a unique kind of a bar which gives you a salad which comprises as a keto salad also, it's a gluten-free salad also, and many more salad dressings are there, and serves you a healthy diet with the salad bar. And please do visit in the salad bar, and hope you enjoy all the salad dressings.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ma'am. Few lines about yourself.
Hi, I'm Leslie Tripathi. I'm an actress. I'm an author. I write books. I'm also a TV debater, news channel debater. I'm also associated with V. I love coming for the events of V because they promote women empowerment and women's entrepreneurship. So I enjoy watching women doing business and growing. So this is me.
Your association with Chaitali ji and me.
I have known Chaitali ji for a very long time, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है that I get to meet all those powerful women. The fact that right now this is a time for being vocal for local, and all the women associated with Chaitali ji and we women's entrepreneur enclave में जो भी women हैं, they are all self-made plus वो सब लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स अपने घरों से ही प्रमोट करते हैं. सो आई जस्ट लव वॉचिंग देम एंड प्रमोटिंग, एंड आई ऑल्सो लव ब्लॉगिंग विद देम.
Thank you so much. And what is your experience regarding H&H and how we will support the salad bar?
I'm very excited that I'm here with H&H. इनका जो salad bar है, I've heard a lot of good reviews, and I'm very excited to be here because बहुत healthy चीज़ें हैं, and we are all into this time. We are all into healthy lifestyle, organic food, and कैसे स्किन में अंदर से ग्लो करे वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है खाना खा के. सो यहाँ पे जो भी सब कुछ है वेरी हेल्दी and very yummy. So I'm very happy to be part of this H&H salad bar here, and I love coming here. So thanks to Chaitali and everybody here. I had a great time at H&H salad bar. Thank you.
A very good evening, ma'am. Tell me something about today's event.
So today's event is we host Diwali party and networking meet with our core team members, loyal members, and our guest of honors who have always been supportive to We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. So we thought let's have a networking meet together and get together together. So we had Nandita Puri ma'am, Poonam Toprani, then we have Kajal Rochwani ji, and many others who had visited today. And I'm thankful to each of them for giving their time.
Thank you, ma'am. You are coming up with IFTM Fashion Walk. Please tell me something about it.
Okay, so We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave have always been promoting women entrepreneurs from different backgrounds, different fields. So next, what we thought, let's have something where lot of ladies who are aspiring ladies who want to come up in the entertainment industry. So what we thought, we let them give a platform where they can put their their passion. A lot of passionate women, they want to go into entertainment industry, so they will be working on that. And also we have designers who also get platform to showcase their products. So our own women entrepreneurs who are designers, their clothes will be worn by these girls and ladies, and we are taking top models from different parts of the country. So we are coming up in May, but we have started the work from now onwards. So this will be for Miss, Mrs. and also men.
So what are your other upcoming events?
So upcoming events, next month we have one cultural event, we have in associated with Royal Paint Club. One we have an corporate event, one we have another exhibition we are coming up. Then January we have something, February we have Basant Utsav we are coming up. January we have an event in Nagpur. March also we have something, networking meet by Beam. April another event will be doing entertainment event, and 1st May we are having the IFTM, that is Fashion Walk.
Great, ma'am. So we are really excited about it, and share us today's experience with this H&A Cafe Salad and Bar.
Okay, H&H Salad and Bar Cafe. This is amazing cafe, amazing food. I have never, frankly speaking, यहाँ का जो सलाद है और यहाँ का जो पिज़्ज़ा है, it's so healthy, and I have never eaten such taste. The taste is, I feel you all must visit. मैं बोल के तो थक जाती हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ का जो मतलब यहाँ का जो डेजर्ट भी है, this is healthy dessert. You know, yesterday I was talking to my son, tomorrow I'm going to have healthy pizza. So he said, what is healthy pizza? So to know more about healthy pizza, please come H&H Salad Bar and Cafe at Versova Junction, and you can also order from Swiggy and Zomato.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, ma'am. A few lines about you.
मेरा नाम काजल मुचपन है, मैं वर्सोवा विधानसभा से हूँ, मेरे बच्चे का उपाध्यक्ष। मैं रॉयल फेमी क्लब की फाउंडर मेंबर्स हूँ, चेयरपर्सन। और आप क्या जानना चाहते हो, क्या पूछना चाहते हो?
वी और चैताली जी के बारे में कुछ नहीं
तो मतलब उनका भी जो भी एंटरटेनमेंट ग्रुप है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप है। मतलब जो भी कुछ है उनका, मतलब वुमेंस का प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं, और बहुत मतलब लोगों से मतलब उनका कनेक्टेड इतना दूर तक मतलब सुनाई देता है। और इवन दैट मैं भी उनका साथ में ज्वाइन हूँ। और चैताली जी बहुत अच्छा इंसान है, और मैं चाहती हूँ उनका ग्रुप और भी आगे तरक्की करे।
और ये जो आज जो ये इवेंट है और H&H जो सलाद बार है, ये लेके आप कैसे सपोर्ट करोगे और इसका क्या रिव्यू आपको?
अच्छा, H&H जो सलाद बार है, मैं पहले भी एक बार आई थी डॉक्टर भारती लवेकर मैम का साथ में, जब ओपनिंग थी, तो आज भी मैंने आई है। तो यहाँ का जो भी सलाद है और जो भी पिज़्ज़ा है, सब लेटेस्ट टाइप का ही है। मतलब न्यू जनरेशन के लिए बहुत अच्छे खाने का बंदोबस्त रखे हैं इन लोग ने, और मुझे भी बहुत अच्छे लगे। मतलब यहाँ का जो भी सलाद है, पिज़्ज़ा है, जो भी मतलब वाटर है, मतलब एक न्यू
और
हेल्दी फूड है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ लोग आए यहाँ पे, और ये हेल्दी फूड को खाए और मज़ा ले।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Very good evening, Sushmita. Your introduction and about your work.
A very good evening, Minky. So, my name is Sushmita. I am running a restaurant in Ambi Valley and Panchgani. We are coming up with a resort also very soon in Panchgani. I am a core member of it. Thank you.
Wow, very nice. You are coming up with IFTM Fashion Walk. Please tell us more about it.
IFTM Iconic Fashion is the top model. So we are giving platform both to the top models and to the aspiring designers. So it will give wings to both of them. It will be a collaboration between the top models who will be coming from all over the world. We are taking the top models from the world and the aspiring designers. Like that will be a collaboration with both of them.
Wow, that's nice. How was your experience today with H&H Salad Bar and Cafe today?
Excellent. So much healthy food we are getting in such a good location. So much hygiene is maintained. So different variety we are getting in pizza, in salad, whatever you say. I will support by calling my friends. That's it.
That's great. How will you support H&H Cafe?
I will say my friends. I will really bring my family. I will come with my family, friends, and that's. Will you further tell your friends to visit here? Sure, definitely. Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Question.
Good evening, ladies. So I want few lines from you.
Introduction.
Few line about yourself.
अपने बारे में.
माय नेम इज सीमा सुमन और मैं हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को डील करती हूँ और मेरे पास हैंड पेंट सारे प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल हैं और मेरे ब्रांड का नाम ट्रूली मिथिला है.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi Srivastav. I am owner of Vedi. Vedi is a natural beauty care products. I am making tip to toes product like soaps and body wash से लेके सारे products मिलेंगे, face oils and all. और मेरे ब्रांड का नाम वेदी है. थैंक यू.
माय नेम इज़ मिकी घोष. मेरा जो ब्रांड नेम है वो है मिकीज हैंडलूम साड़ीज, जो एक्सक्लूसिव हैंडलूम साड़ीज के साथ डील करते हैं और मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो वेस्ट बंगाल और उड़ीसा, बनारस 3-4 जगह से मेरा हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट का साड़ी में सेल है. आपका आज का एक्सपीरियंस विद H&H सलाद बार?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और बहुत ही हेल्दी हाइजेनिक और मोस्टली क्या होता है कि हम लोग घर पे इतना हेल्दी बनाते नहीं है. घर अगर हमें कभी कुछ हेल्दी खाने का मन हो तो मैं यहाँ पे ज़रूर आना चाहूँगी और मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के बच्चों को भी लेकर आना पसंद करूँगी.
रियली बहुत यमी हेल्दी सैलेड्स एंड ऑल, बहुत अच्छा फूड आइटम यहाँ पे है. आई मस्ट प्रेफर टू एवरीवन कि प्लीज़ कम एंड टेस्ट ऑल द फूड प्रोडक्ट्स. दे आर रियली नाइस एंड वेरी हाइजीनिक.
आज जैसे हमारा जो इवेंट H&H सलाद में हम लोग आए, घर का प्रोडक्ट जो है जो भी डिशेस है हम लोगों ने टेस्ट किया. सबसे पहले तो सबसे मुझे इधर का जो टेस्ट है सबसे बढ़िया है. इन लोगों ने जो टाइप्स ऑफ शॉर्ट्स हम लोगों की है विच इज़ वेरी यम्मी. हम लोग बहुत टाइम से घर में सोचते थे क्या बनाए लेकिन वो थिंकिंग नहीं आता उसको कैसे बनाना है, इसकी प्रेजेंटेशन ठीक नहीं आता, इसलिए घर में क्या होता है हम लोग ये बना नहीं सकते. लेकिन आज तो मैंने मतलब ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स फूड के साथ इतना अच्छा शॉर्ट बन सकता है मुझे आइडिया नहीं था, जो मैंने इधर ट्राई किया और मैं ज़रूर इसको घर पर भी जाके ट्राई करूँगी और मैं बच्चे लोगों को और फैमिली को साथ इधर ज़रूर आऊँगी ये ट्राई करने के लिए. और इनका सलाद जो था नॉन वेज एंड वेज मैंने दोनों ही ट्राई किया, दोनों ही अमेजिंग टेस्ट है. सलाद भी इतना अच्छा टेस्टी हो सकता है मुझे उतना आइडिया नहीं था. आज मैंने जस्ट टेस्ट किया. मैं बहुत दिनों से मेरी हेल्थ को लेके मैं बहुत परेशान थी क्योंकि मैं डाइट में कंट्रोल नहीं कर रही थी. सो आज ये जो आज H&H सलाद बार में तो मैंने वो देखा डाइट फूड, अच्छा डाइट फूड खा के भी आप हेल्थ को मेंटेन कर सकते हो. सो आई विल मैं ज़रूर इधर आना चाहूँगी, ट्राई करना चाहूँगी मेरी फैमिली. Your association as a royal member with V and Chaitali ji.
बहुत ही अच्छा है. सबसे पहले तो मैंने बी के साथ एसोसिएट किया जिसके कारण मैं रॉयल से भी मिल पाई. तो मुझे इनसे कोलैबोरेट करने के बाद मुझे और ज़्यादा नेटवर्क बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. मुझे इनके थ्रू ही काफ़ी नेटवर्क मिल जाती है. तो बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है हमारा.
लवली एक्सपीरियंस विद वी एंड रॉयल ग्रुप बिकॉज मैं 3 साल से वी के साथ हूँ और फिर चैताली दी के थ्रू मैं रॉयल ग्रुप में भी ज्वाइन किया है और इससे अच्छे बिजनेस को काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलता है और दोनों के साथ एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है.
वी के साथ मैं लास्ट 3 ईयर्स से जुड़ी हूँ और मैं अभी वी कोर टीम मेंबर हूँ. वी के साथ जुड़ने के साथ उसके बाद जुड़ने से मेरा ये हुआ मेरा बहुत फैन फॉलोइंग बन गए, मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड बन गए और वी अभी रिसेंटली क्या हो रहा 8600 हमारा मेंबर्स है जिसके साथ मैं अपने बिजनेस को टाई अप कर सकती हूँ, डील कर सकती हूँ. इससे मेरा बिजनेस का ग्रोथ भी बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, बहुत सारा टाइम भी मिल रहा है. सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि मुझे बहुत सारा लेडीज़ फ्रेंड मिल रहा है जिसके साथ मैं टच में रह के बहुत अपने आप खुश मैं.
How you will support me in future? बिल्कुल
लोग और नए मेंबर को लाएंगे वी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. और जो बहुत सी लेडीज़ जो नए जिनको इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं है या जो नए बिजनेस शुरू किए तो मैं ज़रूर उनको ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप भी ज्वाइन करो जिससे आप भी अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो कर सकें.
डेफिनेटली और लेडीज़ को इन्वॉल्व करना चाहूँगी. करते भी हैं जो भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करते हैं तो उनको इन्वॉल्व करना ज़रूरी है. इससे उनके बिज़नेस को अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म तो मिलता ही है और ग्रो करता है बिजनेस. इसलिए डेफिनेटली करूँगी.
या मैं भी वी के साथ ऐसे कंटिन्यू उनको मेंबर्स बढ़ाने के लिए मैं हेल्प करूँगी। अभी जैसे H&H सलाद जो है अभी जस्ट उन लोग कुछ दिन पहले 1 मंथ पहले उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया, तो वो लोग अभी हमारे ग्रुप में गए, तो हम लोग अभी आए, बहुत सा अच्छा इवेंट हुआ, हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा खाना टेस्ट किया। तो ऐसे जो लेडीज़ लोग आगे न्यू कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो उनको हम लोग ऐसे सपोर्ट करेंगे। ऐसे करके हम लोग ईच अदर को हेल्प करेंगे कि आप भी करो साथ में मुझे करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone, myself Chaitali Chatterjee, founder of Women Entrepreneurs Enclave V. Today we have Chitanshi Agrawal and Purvi Khare. They are owners of Chitchi. Okay, so let me understand what exactly Chitchi means and what are your products. I mean, please tell about your work.
So Chitchi is our brand, the clothing brand which we have both created. What we have tried to do is we have tried to amalgamate consciousness. Okay, so Chit means being conscious. Okay, and she is the sense of womanhood. So that is what we have tried to do. And whatever designs we are trying to create is all basis on natural fabrics and vegetable dyes. We are trying to strive towards getting the best of the fabrics for women, because mostly linens and all khadis, cottons are available. Lot of designs are available for men, but there was a gap wherein women could not enjoy that comfort and style. So we've tried to create that. As we go further in our journey with our brand, we would want to create more and more designs for women which are comfortable, luxurious, as well as comfortable and organic.
So Purvi, tell me something about, so I think this which you are wearing is your own product? Yes. Can you explain about this product?
Sure. So I am wearing a khadi kurta. Now this is pure khadi. It's really soft. Also, the kind of prints that you see, this is made of actual marigold petals. So what we've done is we've taken marigold petals and we have processed it along with the fabric. So this is the color come out of nature. So this is like pure flower dye and it's very natural. So it is soft on skin. It doesn't irritate because it is available in nature. And that is what we're trying to do, trying to be as organic as possible and introduce that conscious living, that aspect of consciousness across everywhere. So this is a very simple dress, but while I'm wearing it, I can smell the fragrance of marigold, so that's the best of it. In fact, what Chitanshi is also wearing is a linen top which we have. So this is a linen top which is a two-way top. It's a regular peplum top you can see, but it is two-way. In the front it is a round neck and at the back, Chitanshi, would you please show us? At the back it is a V-neck. This has a bow. So this could be like show off your back if you want to do that. You could also reverse the top and wear a V-neck in the front for those party nights, and the circle or the round neck goes behind. So a lot of our products are like that. Can I show you a few of our products? Yes, please. Please show your products. Sure. So this is again a khadi outfit. It is a one-piece dress. We call it the button-down beauty because there are buttons in the side. So if you see the embellishment or the main design is the minimalist design which we have of the buttons. These buttons are open. So what we've done is it is like a two-in-one, that if you open the button, it becomes like a slide slit of one dress, and if you open the button on the other side, again if I open three buttons here, it becomes like a kurti. So there are times where you can wear it like in an office, you wear it as a kurti with pants underneath, and in the party on a Friday night you just have to change the buttons and it becomes like a party dress. So that is what we are doing. Along with fashion, we are bringing natural, this is also vegetable dye. So we are bringing natural fabric and we are bringing natural dyes here.
So this dye is also natural using batter and beetroot. This dye has been created in khadi. We have other designs which are in linens. So there are a lot of linen designs which we have created. This is another of a one-piece dress. It has pockets as well, and it is a tie-up dress. So it can be the tie can be adjusted according to the height. Even the design which you can see is like a kaftan, but not exactly a kaftan. So it can be worn by all sizes. So we strive to create such designs so that it's inclusive, everybody can wear it, and it's very comfortable.
Some people are waiting for you.
What we have here is raw silk. You can see that it is a plain grey, but there are natural colors of the fabric. The yarn itself has a design in it. We put an embellishment belt. So this goes again for parties. The season is coming up. Is the party season. Coming up with the wedding seasons and cocktails. So this is something which people could look forward to. We also have simple plain shirt dresses. So simple white is something which is classic, which is always in. You can dress up by trying to accessorize it the way you want. It is a dress where you belt it up and it becomes a knee-length dress. You can also wear it with denims and use it as a tunic.
So what new products have you planned for next season, winter season?
Yes, so for winter, as we saw, there's some raw silks coming up, silks coming up, because there's a party season, New Year's coming up, Valentine's Day is coming up. So we have a lot of threads and raw silks and velvets which are planned, which would cover our winters as well as the party season.
Wow, that's super. And let me tell you, Chichi is associated with IFTM Walk. We are coming up with top models of India who will be walking the ramp. And Chichi is one of the designers for that. How excited are you? What are you feeling?
Absolutely excited for it. We would love to be associated and we would love to have different designs which our top models will be wearing.
Okay, thank you Chitanchi, thank you Purvi.
Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Good evening, I am Bharti. I am a new entrant of V family and I am here in H&M. I'll just introduce myself. I am a working professional. I am working since last 18 years in a finance company. I am an investment banker. This is a new beginning for me. I have participated in IFTM. Through Chaitali Chatterjee, who is a friend of mine. I have been knowing her since more than 10 years now. This is something very different, very novel for me because being a finance girl, since working since 18-19 years, being a finance professional, coming into fashion is altogether a new experience for me. I'm really enjoying it. And it has really given me more confidence. And I have determined to give my best to this. And let's see how it ends.
Ma'am, your journey as IFTM model.
Since I told you, this is a new inning for me, new beginning for me as a fashion person. So I am going to give my best to this. It is really going to be a wonderful journey in terms of experience, in terms of like new confidence, new altogether a different line for me. I am getting to meet different people, which is totally different from my mainstream of career. And all are very live, enthusiastic people. So it's really giving me a new learning. So I am hopeful towards it.
How are you feeling as a finalist? Who would walk IFTM Factory Walk?
If I am a finalist for this, it's really giving me a lot of enjoyment and happiness. I will definitely take it as a very serious career line. It is not only my hobby now, but it has become my passion. And I am very seriously going to work towards it and try my best for it.
Your association with Chaitali?
As I told you, I am knowing Chaitali since more than 10 years now. She has been a very good friend of mine. We used to stay in the same building earlier. And since then, she has kept on giving me motivation to participate in this. In the earlier, I was reluctant and a bit occupied with my family responsibilities. But now, of lately, when she asked me, So I thought let us respect Chaitali and do it, and now I have started liking it. So I will going to do it very seriously now.
Wow, very nice. Will you tell your friends to join IFTM Passion Walk and why?
Of course, you asked me why not. Because there is no reason I shouldn't tell my friends about this. It's all working professional who is working. This is the first time I'm feeling that I am doing something for myself, only for myself and for my happiness. Whatever I did so far, it was for my family, to accomplish family responsibilities. But first time it has given me confidence and happiness of doing something for myself. So I would definitely recommend this to my friends as well.
Okay, that was very nice to hear you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Shweta Malik and I'm a partner at H&H Salad Bar and Cafe.
I'm Arpana Mishra and I'm the partner of H&H with Shweta Malik.
More about your H&H Bar and Cafe. How was its name created?
So when we talk about H&H, the full form is happy and healthy. Okay. So the full form of so वो बीच में आ गए ना
Please stay out of it.
करूँ फिर से एक बार. Okay, so when we talk about the name creation of H&H, the full form is happy and healthy. So we are two best friends and we have, our own personality. So me, I am always happy and I'm in my happy zone all the time. And my friend here, she is a health freak. She's done her course in yoga and Ayurveda. So when the two of us meet, it's the atmosphere is completely happy and healthy. So we thought, why not open a cafe, which is both, a mixture of both of us. So that's how happy and healthy came into picture.
So Arpana, what more you want to add about H&H Bar and Cafe?
So as Shweta mentioned that it is the concept of happy and healthy. And also we wanted that this concept should reach out to each and every woman health-wise. So that is the main focus wherein we have got this concept, and we thought of bringing this for every woman, especially women.
Thank you. Speciality of your H&H Bar and Cafe, what exactly, what are the food items?
See, everything that H&H has is special. We have 38 kind of exotic salads, and of course, like you can see, we have these salads. So these salads are,
okay.
Yeah, as I said, we have variety of these salads, and we also have pizzas and pasta and sandwiches, wraps, risotto. Everything that H&H has is health-based, of course. We don't use any sugar or maida or preservatives. So that is our specialty.
So the thing is, when people talk about salads, they think it will be a very boring to eat the salads, but actually it's not, because other than salads, we have the combination of everything, wherein the small kid and the old age people, they can also enjoy equally each and every item of this cafe. And also it has veganism, it has diet conscious food, it has if someone is suffering from any disease, if they want to try something related to that, so it provides everything in one go.
Okay, so ma'am, what's new or exclusive services have you planned through your cafe for your customers?
So as we just mentioned, everything is exclusive for our customers. When they want a particular kind of food, we make sure that, the best part is that we have our own salad station, wherein, we have an option of make your own salad. So you can choose amongst the various ingredients that we have, and you can make your own salad, which can be based on your taste buds as well as, your medical needs. So that I would say is something very exclusive.
Even in case of pizza, just to add what Shweta has said, even in case of this pizza, if you see, the base which is made, it is made out of amaranth flour, which is gluten free, and it is I mean, each and every person, even the person who is suffering from health issues, can have this without any guilt, because the cheese which is being used it is very healthy cheese which we make here, and some we try to get it as per the customer requirement. So it is going to be delicious and healthy.
Wow, very nice. Ma'am, your association as board team member with V and Chaitali. So how you discuss that?
Right. So when we are obviously the new members of V. So we as women entrepreneurs, we are very focused on women health as well, because of course, because of lifestyle and responsibilities, women definitely need to focus more on their health, being fit and eating healthy. So by being linked with Chaitali and we, we would cater to all their needs as well.
Thank you. How will you support V in future?
So we are planning that this place will be for women, because women usually they don't take care of themselves, and when they are here they are going to get everything. They are going to get the health and they are also going to get the connect. So that is how we are going to promote this, and we are going to enjoy this because we get the opportunity to meet new women and understand their issues, and this would be the place to connect.
Wow, very good. Will you tell your friends or other businesswomen to join V?
Of course, there is no two ways about it. The more we are, the merrier. So of course, we would definitely bring in a lot of our women entrepreneur friends, and we connect with we. So, I hope that all of us together, get on the journey of fitness and health and good food. So that is basically what we are all about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sweta and Aparna.
Thank you.
Shall I start again? Start here?
Tanaya, your association with Chaitali.
I have known Chaitali ma'am for 3 years now, and my mom knows her too because we are the part of the organization as well. But the management and everything which Chaitali ma'am has done is amazing. She always bring out new platforms for the new generation. That's really very nice.
Wow, that's great. Will you tell your friends to join IFTM Fashion Walk, and why?
For sure, I'll tell my friends to join IFTM because this is a great platform for everyone to keep up their work. So yeah, for the fashion, it is very nice. So I'll definitely recommend IFTM.
Wow, it's nice to hear you, Tanaya. Thank you.
Thank you so much.